sa Antique, Barangay Centro Norte. Certificate of Appreciation is hereby awarded to Kiwanis Club of Vista Verde of Cainta Rizal in grateful recognition to a meritorious effort and invaluable financial assistance in providing quality education through the construction of children's playground at Barangay Centro Norte, Culasi, Antique. Given this 30th day of September 2014 at Culasi, Antique, Philippines. Signed, Lerma E. Salazar, Punong Barangay. We would like to request the presence of Honorable Lerma Salazar, Ma'am Evaharing Maayo, and Engineer Ludovico Lim to hand this certificate of appreciation to our distinguished guests. Children, quiet na yun. Okay. Yan. Palakpakan natin, Bing. Palakpakan. Maraming salamat, Kiwanis Club of Vista Verde. At this point in time, let's hear a closing remark.